We would like to thank you for taking the time to request our free report regarding the Extreme Wealth Formula program. As you are about to see, with all of the information that is contained below, the Extreme Wealth Formula program has just set a new standard for achieving financial success online as you become a part of our global team. There are two major components involved with our program that allows us to rise above any other opportunity available online today. The first component that makes our program so successful is the commodity that our program offers. When you join the Extreme Wealth Formula program, you become a part of a global team within the billion-dollar travel industry. One of the many benefits you receive when you join the Extreme Wealth Formula program includes receiving unlimited discounts on travel destinations to over 3,500 resorts worldwide, all-inclusive vacations, cruises, and more. Discounts that allow you to enjoy luxurious vacations at a fraction of the cost of what others would be required to pay, allowing you to save thousands year after year when vacationing. With the Extreme Wealth Formula program, you can now enjoy vacations the way they should be enjoyed by experiencing destinations that include cruises and world-class resorts with beautiful ocean views, world-class dining, and other amenities that pamper you at just a fraction of the cost. When joining the Extreme Wealth Formula program, you will no longer have to pay a retail price on a vacation ever again when traveling to thousands of destinations or selecting a cruise that is provided with our program. This commodity alone is worth thousands in itself, but it is only one of the major components that makes our program so successful for our members. The second key component involved with our program that allows us to supersede any other opportunity available online is our compensation plan that the Extreme Wealth Formula program provides for its members. In fact, no other opportunity online is able to even offer all the benefits that are included with our program. And this is exactly why so many people are now turning to our program to achieve the financial success they've been searching for. Take the time to see for yourself and review the information listed right below this presentation, and you will see exactly why the Extreme Wealth Formula program is the smartest decision you can make when you're serious about building a real six-figure income online.